My name is Ryan Sweeney, and I'm here to tell you about a new amazing app that our group has developed. When it comes to public speaking events, there currently is not an easy, affordable solution to help the clerk organize, record, archive, and keep track of allocated time for the public speakers. This is why we created our app called the Clerk Stopwatch app. With the Clerk Stopwatch, it has never been easier to manage and archive public speaking. Customers will be able to enter speaker names, organizations, topics, speaker times, as well as play a buzz sound when the speaker time is up. And here to give you a little bit more insight on our project is Mateo.
All right. Hello, my name is Mateo. So our first idea was to create a Java version of the program. And so we did it. This program consists of a login that is managed by an admin account. As you can see, you can add users, you can add time, you can add extra time, and you can use all the buttons are interactive. So, and by the time that the time goes down to zero, it will buzz. But then when we were exploring this program, we decided to upgrade to more current technology, to a language such as JavaScript, cloud technology, and web app. When you log into this program, you can see that you can appreciate that our stopwatch has interactive buttons powered by JavaScript. Right, so here's Caleb to give you more information about this program.
Hi, I'm Caleb, and I'm here to introduce our Create New Agenda function of the program. When you click on Create New Agenda, it brings you up to this page where you can add new speakers just by clicking on it, and you can even change their names and add time for however long you want them to talk. And then when you click Submit, it sends it over to a data store where it is then picked up and put into the stopwatch. And here's John with a lot more detail on how this was all done.
Okay, so that is the I'll get into the back end of this program. The technology language used was Java because that is the language we were most familiar with. The project manager is Gradle. Gradle is a project manager that manages the dependencies of Java and downloads them from like an online repository such as Maven. And the other main purpose of Gradle is to build your project into a standardized web container that can then be used by online cloud services such as Google App Engine. Gradle can be used for many things such as automatically updating the app engine, the servers basically. That is the basics behind the backend, and for the database that is used, it is Google's data storage service. Or you can manage your data via the easy to use UI provided by Google. Okay, so in conclusion, we've came a long way. None of us have any web development experience, and it's been very difficult, but we've gotten through it. Things we could have done better. I don't think Java is the best programming language for web development because it does not support a lot of functions such as JSON creation. It requires a third-party plugin. It is not in the basic SDK with Java. So PHP is a better choice for web development, for quick web development, because it supports JSON functions. And JavaScript is also a good choice. Um, and we wish we could get into jQuery and Ajax, which is a way to send data asynchronously. And we also wish we could have got into authentication tokens, which is when you log in with your Gmail account, and that way you don't have to remember a different password for this website, and it's more secure in that it helps prevent session jacking, and it's the preferred choice for web development today. So that is about it. Thank you for listening.